Yeonche! Oh my god, the blonde, bro. Megan with the bleached brows? No, Daniela? This is her look. This is 100% your look, Connie, baby. Hello, guys. I'm Alicia, but feel free to call me Ari. We're back with another KATSEYE video, and they have a song called Animal, I think. We've seen teasers on it on Instagram, and it did look really nice, but I tried to stay away so I could watch the MV with you guys. And we're also on K-pop Friday Twitch streams, so if you haven't tuned into those, the community is getting closer and cuter and connected. I don't know what to call it, but you guys get what I mean. But I'm excited to watch this. Not seen it. I hope you're ready. It was written by Ed Sheeran. The song? How did Ed Sheeran write a song for KATSEYE? Is what I'm asking. Oh, that's cute with the Megan! Whoa! Fucking look at her. Okay, look at her. She looks insane. Holy. Yeonche! Oh my god, the blonde, bro. Freaky. Okay. The glasses? Okay. Yo, the wet look. Megan with the bleached brows? No, Daniela?
Safe with me. Nobody knows you're out of control, but I see a side behind the closed doors. They get a glimpse here on.
She's insane. Do you guys see her bleached brows? I freaking love it.
Nobody knows you're out of control, but I see a side behind the closed doors. They get a glimpse here.
I wonder who sponsored this video. I love the brows. This is her look. This is 100% your look, Connie, baby. Bro, Daniela with red hair? I love it. Her hair? She looks insane. I love this part. This is also much more of a song, I feel like, yeah. Damn, they look so good. Yo?
Do you like? No. Is that the shoe? I don't think so. No.
What about these?
No. The blue? No. Tuck tie. Fab. Whoa.
So freaking chaotic.
All right. Let's get wild.
I like the song. No, the song was actually very catchy, especially if you remove the bit where they had that the overstimulation in the closet, and it's actually like, how do I say this? Like, KATSEYE gets a lot of hate, but one thing I think they do really good is they stick to their image, and they're always crazy and like have like very extra things. I like a lot of their songs, but I don't love all of their songs because they're so intense. But this one actually felt like a song I can listen to easier. But that doesn't mean that their MVs are not good. But the MVs are always good. So this was actually really fun to see like a really song that I liked, which is more in my preference. And the MV was freaking sick. They looked fucking amazing. They ate that shit up. So yeah, freaking slay, girls. So good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I shall see you guys next time. I squish you.